Hello, in today's episode we will listen to a conversation in English. If you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and comment on this video. And now, let's move on to the dialogue. Today's topic is at the cinema.
Are you excited for the movie?
Yes, very much.
What's your favorite one?
I like action movies. They are thrilling.
Nice. I watch action movies too.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Yes, I like Tom Cruise. He's amazing.
Oh, I like him too. Mission Impossible is great.
Yes, it is. What about you?
I like Sandra Bullock. She's funny and talented.
Ah, I remember her from comedies. She's good.
Yes, she is. What's your favorite snack for movies?
I like popcorn. It's classic.
Me too. And maybe some chocolate.
Good choice. I can't wait for the movie to start.
Me neither. Let's enjoy it.
By the way, have you been to this cinema before?
No, it's my first time. How about you?
I come here often. They have big screens and comfy seats.
That's nice. I hope the seats are good for the long movie.
I'm sure they will be. And the sound system is excellent too.
That's reassuring. Bad sound can ruin the whole experience.
True. Do you usually watch movies alone or with friends?
I usually go with friends. It's more fun to share the experience.
I agree. It's nice to have someone to talk about the movie after.
Exactly. What time does the movie start, do you know?
I think it starts in about 15 minutes.
Great. That gives us some time to get our snacks and settle in.
Yes, let's do that. I'm craving some nachos.
Sounds good. Let's go grab them before the movie starts.
Vocabulary. Movie. Comedy. Funny. Laugh. Thrilling. Watch. Favorite. Actor. Amazing. Mission. Impossible. Talented. Snack. Popcorn. Classic. Chocolate. Enjoy. Cinema. Screen. Seat. Thank you for watching. Check our channel for more videos like this one.